So out here today, we've gone with a few different techniques, but one of them being soft plastics, and in particular here, a swim bait. The Champ Swimmer also does a few other things. Out here in these slough lakes, there's a lot of algae, the water is dirty, and a Champ Swimmer has a ton of action. It has a lot of roll, and it also has a very big tail that displaces a lot of water. So it just creates more drawing power. Now at the end of the day, I've gone with a 3/8 ounce head. That 3/8 ounce head, basically is enough weight because these weed edges are in that 7 to 10 feet of water or so, but also there's a lot of drag with this tail, so you need enough weight to create the bait to fall fast enough to also trigger some bites. Now on the other end of the spectrum, Alex is in the front of the boat using forward-facing sonar, basically pinpointing individual fish and dropping it right on their head. He's gone with a lot more subtle presentation because of that. This is the new Drip Minnow or the Drip Swimmer with a small paddle tail on the back of it. Now he's gone with a lighter head. This is a 1/4 ounce size just because he wants it to be more fluid when he drops right on top of them. Obviously a way more finesse-like presentation. And so at the end of the day, we're using a combination of both of these depending on where our casts are being made.